Good morning. Today is a Wednesday and there will be a release of FOMC, which many traders would like to partake in because they have this gambling mindset, right? For us, I personally, I'm not looking to ride that storm. No, I'd rather like to be in the eye of the storm. Once it settles, there are many fishes to fish out of the sea, okay? So on here, DXY, and I still don't have a bias, I still don't have a narrative. The release of NFP, which is around 1400, okay, 1400 New York time. That is way out of the kill zone of trading Forex, right? And so I don't know what price will be willing to do, but for now, I think there will be a lot of consolidation. Okay, price will not move somewhat significantly. I'm not saying it would not move. It would move, but then that move cannot and is not. It will not be able to be measured. Okay, you can measure that move, even though it's moving. There is no measurement to, there is no way to measure that move in price action. Okay, so this is where we are on the daily. We are still within this daily fair value gap here. For us, this week midpoint, this daily week midpoint has not been traded out of. The bodies are below. Today's candle is right there. Don't know whether it would, rally above or drop down below. So rather prefer trading intra session other than the intraday. So at the beginning of the week, let me take this off. At the beginning of the week, I marked this is our inversion. This is a 4-hour order block. Price is within that array, and on here, this is the daily week midpoint, okay, mid threshold. But concerning the 4-hour order block, price has been able to close above it. So I'll be forced to consider this rejection block being traded to. Okay, that rejection block, and then the high, it's not that big, so just focus on the high. The rejection block and the high, it will be traded to, and there is this relative equal lows here also. So you see, it's double-sided. Okay, any of these levels could be traded to. That is why it is not of high probability. So we just need to be careful and trade intra-session. There's this inefficiency here. There's this inefficiency here also. There's liquidity for it. There's a need for a sell to get in there. Okay, down close candle to get in there. And looking at Euro USD also. I hope this one will be a quick one. Euro USD also, you just see this. Price is still within this fair value gap here. Will it rally higher? Nope. You can see it's creating lower highs. Whereas DXY is creating higher lows. And GBP USD is doing quite the opposite, creating high highs. So there's I think there is some SMC forming in here. Okay, SMC, that is a reversal pattern by the big players. All right, so let's see what happens at the release of FOMC. But in the meantime, we'll be trading intra-session and we're making the market here and there. All right, so the 4-hour time frame on GBP USD. Let me take this off. Well, the 4-hour time frame, here we have this move, impulsive move here. I don't trade the London open, so whatever happens during the London is none of my problem. It's not my issue. You see this move here, okay, and we have this breaker block here. It's quite closer, and the other block here also. The wick is significantly large, so we focus on the open. Price might get back down there on the 15 minutes. So this will be the market maker model. Alright. Should I pick it from this level? This relatively called levels here. Market maker model. Reversal confirmation. It's quite simple, guys. Sorry. It's difficult. It's difficult. You see, because I've been able to how do you call it? Psych my mind to see all these things. So I see it to be quite simple, but truth be told, it's difficult. Yes, it would take at least 6 months. It's difficult because you are training your mind to remember all of these things. So it will be difficult. So this price reversed here, other block. Let's just paste that continuation. We take it off and then we'll call it a day. Yeah. So during the landing, the New York session, I would expect price to get to this levels here. That's for GBP USD, and then for Euro USD, what do I have? You know, Euro USD is much more gravitating to the downside, so I think it would move much lower to the sell side here. But it is still within the 4-hour PD array, okay, which I don't know. I seriously don't see anything on Euro USD. I don't see shit. There's nothing visible on Euro USD. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh boy. That's still in the sell model. So, well, let's head on to the 15 minutes, see what we get. If maybe we'll be able to find something useful. So we're still in the sell model. Reversal was confirmed here. I said nope, still had to drop lower. Did that. And there is nothing on Euro USD, guys. There's nothing. So, peace.